Hi YouTube, so today is January 9th, 2013, and it's been exactly 21 days or 3 weeks since my jaw surgery. I still have a bit of swelling in my cheek area right here, and this area is still completely numb, and I'm having like about 50% of my feeling back in my cheeks. So that's good. I just had the second post-op appointment with my oral surgeon. He said everything is healing very well. He took off some of my stitches that were falling off of ear and also on my sides. I had somebody comment down below on my previous video. They were very in-depth questions, and I feel like I didn't explain myself well enough on my past video about my recovery. So I'm gonna go through like all of the days since the day of surgery. So my jaw surgery was on December 19th, 2012. It was at 7 o'clock in the morning. I arrived at the hospital around 5:30 in the morning. My surgery lasted for 6.5 hours. I was admitted into the ICU around 1 p.m. and I was in there for only 2 hours, and after that, around 3 p.m., I was in a recovery room. I guess for my pain level on the first day right after I got out of surgery, out of a 10-point scale, I'd say it would be about a 4 or 5. It was tolerable due to all the morphine they gave me when I asked for it. And then the day after, the day after my surgery, I experienced some nausea only when I stood up because I lost so much blood. So walking back and forth, I felt really dizzy. They gave me some nausea medication for that, and it went through really fast. So I didn't experience any nausea at all for my entire recovery until now. So that's good. So no vomiting either. And then for the first week of my surgery, I had to sleep around like an angle, so I was sleeping up for good blood flow, and then I had constant nosebleeds. I think that was the worst. I had nosebleeds, my nose was clogging up, but they gave me some some nasal spray that would help out with your clogging nose. And I also ate through a syringe. So the liquid blended diet, what I was eating most of the time was blended porridge. Like I'm Vietnamese, so I had blended gao. Also some like fruit juice, especially the splash, just to give you some more energy. And let's see, what else did I have in my first week? So the first week from days 1 through 5, I'd say pain level is about a 5 or 6, about the same thing. They give you some liquid painkillers. I only used it for the first week. After that, I didn't need it at all. Because one thing about it is that it makes you very dizzy and sleepy all the time, and I hated it. So I just stopped overall drinking it. For the first 2 weeks, I had to drink the pink no, what's it called? Sorry, I had a huge brain fart. Antibiotics. So the pink antibiotics I drank for 2 weeks, and it gave me a special, wonder if I have it, a special mouthwash to reduce the inflammation of my gums over here and over here. And some stool softener that I never used early. I didn't really need it. And for the second week, it went by a lot better, so most of my swelling went down. And as I mentioned before, I'll show the whole timeline of my photos from day 1 all the way, I guess, for the first month. I don't think I'm just gonna do the whole video until I take my braces off, because that won't be for another 5 months or so. And right now, of course, for the first 2 weeks, you have to keep really, really good oral hygiene. What I used to brush my teeth was I bought a little baby toothbrush, like this size, to help me brush my teeth. It's very small, and it's Winnie the Pooh, so it's cute. So I'm using it to brush only my teeth, because a bigger toothbrush will irritate your gum line, and that's where my stitches are located. So I have stitches all over here and stitches here, and if you touch them, of course, it'll be really painful. Even right now, if I touch it, It's still a little tender, and it still hurts every time I smile. It like pulls on your stitches, so you need to be careful with that. And since this is the third week, I can open my mouth about like this wide. I can't right now because I have some rubber bands on. It's a line right there and a triangle over here. And the person asked me if I would do this surgery again. It would be iffy, but then if I had to, of course I'd do it in a heartbeat. I mean, it may sound very scary and nerve-wracking at first, but once you go through it, time flies by so fast. These past 3 weeks went by so quickly, it like sped by. I haven't started school yet, so I have another 2 weeks just to chill and hang out. But yeah, some of my surgeon told me that I'll look completely different and my friends don't recognize me at all. I'm like, I don't think I changed that much. It's just, yeah, my jaw looks a lot better, but my friends still recognize me, so that's a good thing. You don't look completely different, you'll still be you, and that's what I'm scared about. My worst fear is that nobody will be able to recognize me, but they did, so that was good. So, I will see you guys next time. This is just an update of how my surgery went. Bye!